What if I told you there's a budgeting method that feels like cheating, saves you more money than traditional saving apps, and still lets you spend on the things you love? Sounds fake? That's exactly what most people think until they try it and realize they've been budgeting wrong their whole life. This isn't another cut back on coffee lecture. This is the modern way to budget in 2025. And it's quietly changing lives. Why traditional budgeting fails. Let's be honest, budgeting advice is boring, restrictive, and impossible to stick to. Track every dollar. Cut everything non-essential, stick to envelopes. Sure, it sounds responsible, but it's exhausting. And it feels like punishment for wanting to live. Here's the truth: traditional budgeting is designed to make you feel guilty about spending. That's why it fails. The feels illegal budgeting hack. This new method, it flips everything you know upside down. It's called the reverse budget. Instead of budgeting your expenses first, you budget your savings. Yes, you heard that right, you spend first on your future self. And then you live off the rest guilt-free. Here's how it works. The 4-step reverse budget. 1. Pick your financial priorities. Is it debt payoff? Investing? Travel fund? Emergency stash? 3 big goals, not 10, just a few. 2. Pay your goals like a bill. Treat saving $300 per month like paying rent. Set it on autopilot, don't touch it. 3. Live on what's left, whatever's in your account after your savings are pulled, that's yours. 1. Stop tracking every dollar. You don't need to micromanage coffee or dinner you already saved, that's it. You cheated the guilt system, you saved automatically. And you spent with freedom without wrecking your future. Why it works psychologically. The magic of this system isn't math, it's mindset. Your brain hates restriction. It rebels, that's why diets and budgets both fail. But when you prioritize automated success, you feel free to live your life without shame. And that's the only system people actually stick to. No spreadsheets. Number 20. Tab expense trackers. Just a habit that quietly builds wealth behind the scenes. Real results from real people. Maya used to feel broke, even though she made $6,000 per month. She was saving whatever was left over, which was nothing. She tried the reverse budget and set up $800 per month to auto-transfer into her investing account. Fast forward 9 months, she had $7,200 saved without feeling like she saved anything. Then there's Devin. He set up $50 per week to go into a vacation fund. Now, instead of stressing about affording flights, he has the money ready. All while still enjoying dinner nights and new sneakers. Bonus hack: the no-touch account. Want to make this even easier? Open a second checking account. Use it for spending only. Send your automated savings to a different account when you don't look at often. Out of sight, out of temptation. It's one small shift, but it changes everything. Why this feels like cheating, but isn't? Because it feels too simple. You're not tracking, you're not sacrificing. You're not stressed. But that's why it works. Success in money isn't about doing more, it's about doing less but smarter. This method aligns with human nature. It makes saving automatic and spending guilt-free. No stress. No friction. And no lectures from boring finance bros. The takeaway. Here's the uncomfortable truth. People who budget traditionally burn out and quit. People who budget backwards, they win. Quietly. Consistently. Automatically. The choice is yours. Do you want to track every receipt and feel deprived? Or build wealth while still enjoying your life? The reverse budget won't make you rich overnight. But it'll make sure you actually keep what you earn. And that is what most people never figure out. If this method opened your eyes, hit that like, smash subscribe, and comment. I'm done budgeting the old way. Because this new era of money starts with one quiet shift. And yes, it still feels like cheating, but it's not. It's just finally working with your brain instead of against it.